And it's math time. We are going to talk about patterns today. Hi, it's Adam.
Alright, and Petri.
And Mr. Dino. I brought two cool friends with me because we're going to talk about patterns today. And it's going to be an A-B pattern. Are you ready? Yes!
Yep, we're so ready. Yeah.
All right. Who would like to go first? You can go first.
I will go first.
All right, Petri, you are first. This is going to be pretty simple. Yes, no. Yes, no.
Yes, no. Yes, no.
Oh, I know this one. Yes, no. Yes, no. You guys got it. That's the first pattern. Yes was first and no was second, and we repeated it. So we went yes, no, yes, no. I think I get it. I think you do. We're going to do one more. Ready? Okay, Petri, you get to go again?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, it's going to be boom, clap, boom, clap.
Oh, I can make it fun. Boom, clap, boom, clap.
I can do it too. Boom, clap, boom, clap. And I can do it too. I can say boom, clap, and the beat goes on and on and on and on, boom and clap. Make a pattern with me, make a pattern with me. Boom, clap.
Boom, clap.
And the beat goes on and on and on and on.
Boom, clap, boom, clap.
Make a pattern with me, make a pattern with me. You guys are great. You made a pattern. You did yes and no, and you did boom and clap. Nice work. Hey, good job.
Thank you.
And good job. Thank you. And good job to you too. Thanks for learning about patterns. We will see you later. Bye.